another video, guys. Happy Monday. So today is Monday. It's actually already 4 p.m. and yes, as what I have mentioned in my previous video, we are going to be moving mubalhin me. So today, right now, I will pack my things, which is hindi naman siya ganun karami. Like I probably can just do it like less than few hours. I don't know. Ma-pack ni mo siya. Hindi lang kaabutag adlaw ba? So, ako blue istorya. Anyways, I will pack the things, and yeah, I will bring you along with me as I pack the things. And yeah, I will just do a time lapse lang ako kasi I will play some music in the background so I won't get bored. So as you can see, the lighting is not that good because it's already 4 p.m. in the afternoon and it's kind of a gloomy day. Actually, this morning, maaraw siya, pero mga around 3 siguro, around 2 p.m. to 2:30, biglang naging gloomy ang ating panahon. So, medyo madilim tayo for today's video. Anyways, andami ko ng set. I will go ahead and start packing. I'll just show you guys kung gaano karami yung ipapack ko. So, ito nga naman. Yan, that will just stay as it is. Hindi ko pa nga na-ayos yung bed ko. Just stay as it is. That one, that's my table. There's just some stuff there, school stuff. And then, I'll show you. Oh, put it in. I will pack that. My clothes na hindi naman gano'n ka dami. And some stuff up there and this one. So yeah, she's indecisive. She can't decide. She keeps on looking.
The sky is changing from indigo into blue, and I am changing too, for the first and the last time. The earth is trembling, and I am trembling too. It makes me feel alive. It's the only thing I know. There's a winding road behind me, a straight path ahead. Will you come with me to the water's edge? We'll sink into the shoreline and slowly disappear into it all, as it always was, as it really is. As it always was. There's a wildfire behind me, an orchard ahead. Will you come with me and taste all of it? We'll turn into magpies and fly on the fiery wind above it all. There's a winding road behind me, a straight path ahead. Will you come with me to the water's edge? We'll dance for forever and slowly disappear into it all. into it all. Into it all. Into it all. As it is, as it is.
Hello guys! So, update sa akong packing duties. Wala ko naman. Damo kayo. I mean, nanakoy sa kamalita. Then, kani pusun sa ako. And then, there's a little bit more hair. But yeah, I spoiled myself. I ordered online some food. McDonald's. Ay, gutom ko. So yes, nakaunsa ko din. I will continue the packing. And while I'm doing it, lato sa movie. Redeeming Love. It's actually nice. So yeah. See you later, mga tao. Hello guys. So, update. I just kind of finished. Not totally finished, pero at least may naligpit, may napak ako. For today, it's already, I think, 1:30 a.m. So, yeah. Hindi talaga ako straight na ano guys. Hindi ako straight nagligpit ba. Putol-putol. Kay gadula and then galantaw og movie. Ladahang distractions. So yes, update. Ito na siya so far. Yan. So I have those 1, 2, 3 and those I think I will dispose. Ito lampshade yan. I don't know if kay Ate Karil or kay yung sa isang housemate ko. And then these ones are I'm gonna use for the next remaining days. And I have my puffer jacket at the new uniform sa kitchen. Okay. Napaka-classic karong Wednesday and Thursday. And then I have my shoes. Black shoes para sa work. And then sa kitchen na shoes. And then my bed, I will dismantle. No, disassemble it. I'll take care of it like siguro a day before na lilipat ako. And then we have this one. I have already packed all the stuff there. I have left the notebook. Disassembled po na ako ng table. And then this one, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Still have to think about it. So yeah, that is it so far. So, I don't know gaano kahaba itong video na ito. Kasi yung paglilipit kanina, yung mga clips na gina-film na ako, I will i-timelapse to na ako ba? Fast forward. Huh? Basta ipaspas na ako ng video. So we'll see how it's gonna go. And yeah, I'm actually using my old phone right now because I was charging my other phone. So I'm using the old phone, so I don't know if the quality is as okay as the other one, but kay naay problema ning audio aning cellphone, so we'll see. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you enjoyed and liked the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe if ngayon lang kayo napadaan sa YouTube channel ko, please do subscribe and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!